Hey guys, today I'm just gonna quickly teach you guys how to import any mod pack into the new CurseForge database. So the first thing you have to do is you have to have an example mod pack. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a custom profile, name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call test, create. And now once this is done loading, you're gonna click on this, click on the three bars, open folder. And this is where you're going to get to your CurseForge folders. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and click on the word instances. And this is where you're going to see your list of mod packs. So you want to keep this here. You want to keep this locked in place. The next thing you want to do is you want to find your mod pack. This could be something that you downloaded online. If you downloaded it from the internet, you should probably check your downloads folder, which you can get to by going up to here and typing in File Explorer, and then opening this, and then clicking on the downloads on the side. And it should be on the most recent. And next what you're going to do, most likely it's going to be a .zip file. So what you're going to do is you're going to take whatever mod pack you have, either if it's from your downloads or your desktop or wherever the mod pack is, you're going to drag it into the instances file. So what we're going to do now that our .zip is in the file is we need to extract them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to right click, we're going to click extract all, and then we're going to click extract. Now we have our example mod pack folder, and now we can delete the .zip just like that, and we can delete our test folder, and we can double click on example mod pack, and this is the actual name of the mod pack that I'm using. So this is the mod pack, and now this is the last step. You just drag whatever mod pack is in here up into where it has instances up here. Then you click back on instances, and now you have your mod pack. You can delete the first folder, and now mod pack is going to be in there with all the correct files. And so now if I go back, I have the second mod pack here, which I've already imported, but this was a tutorial on how to import it again. According to YouTube statistics, only 5% of my viewers are actually subscribed. And I don't care. Subscribe if you want, I couldn't care less. I never upload, so it won't really affect you. But it might make my day a little bit better, so thanks for checking out this tutorial.